Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to connect Google Workspace in Gemini. So let's start. Open your Gemini and here you can see I already log in Google Chrome. After the login, here you can see in bottom side have a text box. You just enter here the prompt and you will get all details generated by Gemini. And here you can see with this have one option, the plus icon, just click on it and click on the add from dry option. And here you can see the connect Google Workspace. Okay. So here you can see to complete your request, Gemini will access and manage items from Google Workspace like your Gmails and documents. Okay, and etc. After that, just click on the connect and here you see. Now here you can see your Google Drive is connected. Now you can select here, resend your file, and in my drive also you can select your the documents. Okay, and share with me also you can select, and that's it. So this is a way you can quickly connect your Google Workspace in Gemini. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.